Hi everyone. Now let's talk about flush parameter in Python. It's very simple parameter which can be used for to hold a value for some time and can display. So let us understand here. Print of hi, how are you? Then here I'm just taking one more print statement. I am fine. Thank you. So when we execute, so we are getting two results at a time, like hi, how are you? I am fine, thank you. At a time interpreter will display, but whenever you want to make it flush for some time, the next value, whichever the next line, so for line to line, if we have some space or some time period, or you can say sleep mode, then we can able to use flush parameter. So for that, what we need to do, from time import sleep. From time module, we need to import sleep function or sleep method. Then we can, using this sleep method, we can able to flush the parameter in Python. So between the line to line, whenever you want, you can use that sleep mode. How much time you require for that? For example, I am just taking same example here. Print hi, how are you? Then I am just taking here the output sleep for 5 seconds. Then after that, we need to display next output. So this is called flush parameter in Python. Now when we execute, just understand here, see hi, how are you is there. After 5 seconds, then I am fine, thank you will come. See that I am just repeating once again. Just I am taking here 10 seconds. Understand here, in this example, hi, how are you will display, and the next 10 seconds it will be sleep mode, then it will display I am fine, thank you. Let's see. So hi, how are you is there, then it is waiting to complete the time sleep mode, then you can get the value. See, so it will hold for some time. How much time you require, you can hold, and then it will return the output here. Even you try to take one more example. So print off, then take here are you there example here. Then what we need to understand here, let's see, end equal to like this. Now print, what we need to understand, yes, I am here and waiting for you. I am here and waiting for you. So now when we execute this, let's see, we are getting are you there and yes, I am here and waiting for you. So this is coming at a time. Now if we use this flush parameter and use sleep one, then you can get it to know how this. So here we need to use flush here. Flush equal to true. You can go this method also, not a problem. Then here you can use sleep of 10 seconds. Just execute now. See, are you there is there. Now it is waiting for to get value. Yes, I am here and waiting for you. So it will run, see, 10 seconds and it will display that flash time is there. So you can go directly sleep, and you can go directly, you can give here directly flush also, not a problem. Okay, you can give like end equal to like this and flush equal to true. This is called flush parameter. See, hi, how are you is there? I am fine, thank you will come now. So 10 seconds it will happen and then it will display. See, so this is how we can able to use flush parameter in Python. It's very simple and regularly we can use to hold some value or variable value for some point of time. This flush parameter we will be using in Python. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.